Imagine a swirling cosmic ocean, where galaxies flow like vast, unstoppable currents. Until now, we thought our Milky Way floated in a stable, predictable part of this universe, part of a supercluster called Laniakea. But new research is shaking this foundation, revealing we might actually be part of something much, much bigger. This is a story that could change our understanding of the universe forever. What if I told you that everything we assumed about the Milky Way's location might be wrong? For years, astronomers placed us in the Laniakea supercluster, a colossal group of galaxies drawn together by gravity. But recent findings from an international research team led by Germany's Leibniz Institute for Astrophysics suggest otherwise. According to new maps of the universe, we may be part of the Shapley supercluster, a structure so massive, it challenges our very ideas about how the cosmos works. Picture this: the universe isn't a neat grid of galaxies, like pearls on a string. Instead, it's more like a turbulent ocean, full of whirlpools, currents, and waves of matter. And in this cosmic ocean, our galaxy flows within an intricate network of superclusters, each with its own immense gravitational pull. This ocean is made of attractors and repellers, massive structures that either pull galaxies toward them or push them away. And the Shapley supercluster? It's one of the largest known structures in the universe, made up of countless galaxies, cosmic dust, and gas clouds stretching over 1 billion light-years. This structure is so immense and so old that it defies previous models of how the universe formed. In fact, it's so large that it throws our entire understanding of cosmology, and even the Big Bang, into question. You see, cosmological models rely on the idea that matter is spread out relatively evenly across the universe, creating a predictable pattern. But when we look at the Shapley supercluster, something doesn't add up. Structures this large shouldn't even exist if the universe is as young as we think it is. They'd need much more time to form than the universe has supposedly existed. So what's going on? Scientists believe that certain areas in the universe are dense with matter, creating gravitational attractors that pull galaxies toward them. But just as there are attractors, there are also repellers, like the mysterious dipole repeller, discovered in 2017. This region of space seems to actively push galaxies away, almost as if it's repelling matter. Together, these attractors and repellers create a cosmic dance, shaping the flow and distribution of galaxies across the universe. The latest revelations come from the Cosmic Flows 4 survey, a groundbreaking project that uses artificial intelligence to map the universe in astonishing detail. By analyzing the motions of over 56,000 galaxies, scientists have developed the most accurate map of our local universe yet. This map not only reclassifies the Milky Way's position but reveals new, colossal cosmic structures that we've only begun to understand. Mapping the universe isn't easy. To observe galaxies from Earth, our telescopes have to peer through layers of other galaxies, obscuring what's farther away. Imagine trying to see through dozens of veils, each one adding its own complexity. It's taken astronomers decades to get a clear view, and even now, they're only scratching the surface. The idea of the universe as a static, orderly place is slowly giving way to a much wilder reality. Galaxies move, flow, and interact in ways we're only beginning to understand. The Milky Way, for example, is surrounded by 17 megastructures, each exerting its own gravitational pull. These structures interact and overlap, creating a web of forces that influences everything around them. And then there's the Sloan Great Wall, a colossal wall of galaxies stretching over 1,000 trillion cubic light-years. This structure is so vast it dwarfs the Shapley supercluster, challenging our understanding of the universe's size and shape. This wall of galaxies seems to act as a kind of cosmic barrier, adding even more layers to our cosmic ocean. Think of it like the currents in an ocean. Just as ocean currents are influenced by underwater mountains, ridges, and land masses, galactic flows are shaped by attractors and repellers within this cosmic sea. Our galaxy is swept along by these forces, flowing through space in a way that's almost impossible to predict. So, where do we go from here? Scientists are eagerly awaiting new data from advanced observatories like the ESA's Euclid Telescope and the Vera C. Rubin Observatory. These observatories, along with upcoming quantum computing technology, could finally allow us to map the universe in unprecedented detail. These discoveries suggest that our universe is far more complex than we ever imagined. We may be living in just one small part of a vast cosmic ocean, full of islands, reefs, and currents we've only begun to chart. Every new discovery raises more questions than answers. Are we part of the Shapley supercluster, or something even bigger? Is the universe infinite, or are there limits we haven't yet found? One thing's for sure, the universe isn't as simple as we once thought. So, what do you think? Could the Milky Way be part of a supercluster even larger than Shapley? What other cosmic surprises might be waiting for us? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if you enjoyed this cosmic exploration, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos about the mysteries of the universe.